Alright, so today we're going to be frying some chicken legs, and it's real simple to do. We're going to fry these keto style with no breading on them. We're just going to salt and pepper them, and we're going to fry these in pure lard. Actually, I think I've got a little bit of bacon grease in that as well, so we got some real good fat to fry these in, and so we're going to get started with that. What I typically do with these is just salt them a little bit, like this right here, and put a little bit of pepper on that as well. And what you want to do when you first start out frying this, you want to always get chicken that has the skin on. For keto style, you want the skin and the bones, and it makes a good flavor. Anyway, we'll just turn these over, salt and pepper that a little bit. A couple of these here, and I'll show you how I do this. And basically what you want to do now, when you start to fry chicken, is just lay it in your skillet with the skin side down. And you're going to want to lay that and let it sit in the skillet for about 6 or 7 minutes on one side before you turn it over. If you don't, the skin will stick to the skillet, and when you go to turn it over, it'll pull the skin off. So we're going to get the rest of these ready, set in here and start frying these, and we'll come back and show you how they look here in just a little bit. Alright, well, this chicken's just about done, so I'm going to take and show you what this looks like here. Boy, look at that right there now. That's good fried chicken. You wouldn't have thought you could fry this without breading, but you don't have to put all that breading on there. I'll go ahead and show you how you can test this. You can just stick a meat thermometer in the meaty part of the chicken leg, and as long as it runs somewhere about 165 minimum, your chicken's done. And see, we're already running 175, 180. So this chicken is ready to be pulled off. And so I just wanted to show you how to fry chicken without breading in a cast iron skillet. And I'll leave a little information down in the description box for the best place to get a good cast iron skillet. But man, look at that chicken right there. Man, oh man, you're talking about some good fried chicken. We're going to have that with some celery and some homemade blue cheese dressing. Look at that. And I'll make a video later on how to make this homemade blue cheese dressing. It's really good, and it's hard to beat. It's better than store-bought, and it doesn't have all the junk in it too. So anyway, we appreciate you guys. If you like what we're doing and like these videos, then hit the like button and subscribe. Be sure and share this with your friends and family. Share it on social media if you like, and we'll be coming back to you again soon. Y'all have a great day.